you guys, it's another time again for RGI Easy Sewing's tutorial, and the last time we showed you how to complete your waistlines using the facing. We understand that it is different from what a lot of you are familiar with, and just for that we realized we need to show you how to complete the zipper once you have used the facing. So that's what we're going to show you today. So let's do this. Okay guys, so we are about to put our zipper on our skirt that has been finished with the facing in the waistline area. And what I've already done is put in some interfacing just to stabilize the area, and I'm going to fold. This is the allowance that I left for my zipper. I'm going to fold. Now this can be done two ways. I can decide to fold like this and insert my zipper this way, or I can decide to fold like this and insert my zipper this way. Okay, so you can do whichever method that you prefer. They are both acceptable, but for me I prefer to fold this and to insert my zipper. Just to help me, I'm going to just insert a few straight pins. Remember, your straight pins will keep things in place. Now remember, in the video we did concerning zipper placement, we used a different method to put in the zipper, and in that case we used the method where you would have the portion of your garment basically in the center of the zipper, so that you would have an equal amount on both sides. In this instance, the format I am using, you will notice that there's an overlap. So what you will see is that one side, which is this one, is going to be larger, and so it will overlap the other side, which is basically going to meet your zipper right here. Okay, we are ready to sew. Ensuring that everything is in place, everything stays in place as I am sewing. And the technique or the sewing format is basically the same as when we did our first zipper. We will put the link below so that you can refer to that one. Now I'm just using the hand wheel to get to this part because I need to be very precise. Okay. Notice that this part is placed very close to the zipper, to the teeth of the zipper, but it's not overlapping as our first side. Okay, so we are done stitching, and you can see how this will look. I am going to press it so we have it nicely finished, but just so you can see, this is the top and this is the underside, so you can see exactly how that looks. Okay, so this is what our zipper looks like when it has been finished with an overlap and on a skirt with a facing. This area right here we will give a hook and eye, and you can refer to our video on how to put hook and eyes to help you with that. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. Of course, like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you have any questions. Feel free to ask us, and just let us know if there's any additional information that you need, and of course we will do our best to assist. Bye.